it is known as the vertical scaling. Vertical scaling is the, what is the vertical scaling is that you have a certain core software or core facility. After that you are building, either you are expanding or either you are compressing that facility. So like you in daily life, you may take certain plates and put the plates top of the other plate one by one, or like stack. So either you may remove the plates or either you may add the plates, and it will spreading vertically. Okay, so it provides a scalable usage. You may use the plugins or you may reduce the certain part of software. Automatic updates means new things will come. If you need not to worry about your licensing version or that. It is the responsibility of cloud service provider that it will provide the updates or updated software. And accessibility and persistent. Since many of the user has the task which is not can be located at a single location, or usually they are in the travel, so with the help of internet they can access the software as a service. What are the disadvantages? Business must rely on the outside vendor to provide the software and keep that software up and running, and track and report the accurate billing and facilitating a secure environment for the business data. Means you have to be rely on the software as a service vendor for the all these mentions thing which I told. Provider that experience service disruption, impose unwanted change to service offering, experiencing a security breach or any other issues can have a profound effect on the customer ability to use those SaaS offering. Means it is up to certain level, it is monopolizing the SaaS provider, that he may degrade certain things in a software which is not cost effective for him, and if you want that facility, but it is providing the very basic things which is common to all the customers, so it will be problematic for any customer. And if there is any security breach on his level or at the vendor side, you will not be able to use the software as a service. After that, first part of the any startup or any organization or any business, if you going to start your business, then you have to be focused on the business, but you have to be run certain modules. So you may take your you may give your headache to the service as a provider, and one of the part of the business is the customer relationship management. Means you are managing relationship with the customer, or you are managing the customer. You are getting the information of the customer. You want to know about the like and dislike of the customer, or you want to the favorite list of the customer, and you want to know about many things of the customer and manage them. So customer relationship management is an important part of business. So here are some of the tools which is used for the customer relationship management in cloud computing. So well-known name in this field is the Salesforce.com. It is providing a CRM solution and consists of several modules. What are those modules? Like sales, service and support, partner relationship management, marketing, content, idea and analytics. So we will discuss certain modules. What are those modules? First module is the accounts and contacts. What it is doing? It is managing all critical account data, including a company overview, key sales data, relevant document and partner involved in the account. Marketing and leads. Marketing leads present a hierarchical view of campaigns across all the channels, include the leads and opportunities for the each of the campaign. Means you are running certain campaign for the marketing, so those campaigns are handled by these modules. Opportunity is another module. Opportunity can track information on owner, account milestone, decision maker, customer communication, competitor tracking, and product. Means what are the opportunity you have. You may track your competitor, you may establish the communication between the customers, and product tracking. So these are the task of opportunity modules. Analytics and forecasting. Analytics and forecasting includes the dashboard, which will show the real-time status broken down by the department, role, account, or individual, and also highlighted the negatives.